Oh, my leg hurts. My shoulder hurts. Oh. What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Trent Granger here, missionary to Mexico. I'm super excited about today. I'm actually waiting for a friend of mine to come and pick us up, and then he's gonna give us a ride over to Bancomer. It's a bank. I've got something so excited I want to share with you guys. We're so excited about this. Let's get to it. All right, so we're on our way to Bancomer, and I'm so excited. I got my friend Jorge here, and he's been helping us with this whole process, which is very, very gracious of him. Our family's so glad that the Lord put their family into our lives. They've been such good friends to us since we've been here in Zacatecas. I'm so glad that God put them in our paths. So we're on our way to Bancomer, and when I get there, I'll tell you what the surprise is. But for now, we're just so excited. So we were at the bank and we had some issues transferring funds. Come to find out, we can send money from a Mexican bank account to an American bank account, but we can't send money from an American bank account to a Mexican bank account, which just makes no sense to me at all. But anyway, are you ready? I'm gonna reveal it to you. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? No, I'm not gonna show it to you. Let's just go back inside. No, I'm teasing. Okay, here it is. You ready? Ready? Bam! That, my friends, is our new church van. We're so excited. I'll tell you what, God has just blessed us beyond all measure. What do you think about the new van, Mija? What do you think about the new van? Is it awesome? Is it awesome? God just worked this out for us. Thank you so much to New Testament Baptist Church and Fellowship Baptist Church for your donations for us to be able to get this van. We are so excited about it, and we're going to be using it to pick up people and bring folks to church. We're looking forward to the first people we get to bring to church in our new van, our new church van. But just the people that were selling it to us, come to find out his mom was another member of a church here in Zacatecas, and it's just, God just worked this out perfectly. So we're excited. So we're gonna go on a ride because we got to test it out, and I need practice working on my stick shift, my manual technique. So super excited. Well, my friends, this is it. This is the van. It's called FAW, F-A-W. It is we've been told it's the #1 vehicle in China, and they're very, very popular here in Mexico because of their robustness, their durability. So we're excited. God is good. He has provided this vehicle for us. It's a 2017. As you can tell, it's still got plastic on some of the seats. That's how new this thing is. It's only got like 37,000 miles on it. It's actually in kilometers, but 37,000 miles is what it translates to. So, Mija, are you excited?
Princesa.
Are you excited?
Sí.
Yeah! I just want to do the rest of the vlog in here. Just so stoked about it. Awesome. Oh. Oh. My leg hurts. My shoulder hurts. Oh. Those of you that know anything about cars, you understand. Shift, clutch, shift, clutch. It's rough, man, it's rough. But I haven't driven a manual car in probably a good decade or more. I'm not that old, by the way. But anyway, it's been a while since I've driven a car, manual transmission. Hey, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I know we have been putting in our prayer letters for the past several months now We've been looking for a van, and God just put this right in our lap. So thank you guys so much for your prayers. It was all because of God. God gets the glory, but it was through your prayers that we were able to get this. So I just want to say thank you guys so stinking much for all of your prayers. Now I have to do more and more and more practice with this manual. My leg and arm is going to be sore as I'll get out. So we're getting ready to go soul winning, and I just wanted to end this vlog real quick with a word of encouragement about prayer. We have been praying so long for this van, and it was just amazing how God provided this. And it was because of our prayers and because of y'all's prayers praying with us that God provided this van. So let me encourage you to keep on praying, because sometimes it may seem like God isn't listening. It may seem like God is not there, and it may take a while for an answer because God may be testing. God may be proving you and refining you. So let me encourage you to keep on praying and keep on asking God, and God will answer. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys right next time right here on the vlog. See ya.